When you're impeached, you're impeached. When you're sentenced, you're sentenced.
Mimi zile shida zote unaona nikipitia ni kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli.
Something is definitely wrong with your modular oblongata.
This country is a country of the rule of law. We have a constitution. We cannot violate the constitution by engaging a leader, engaging in criminal acts into a discussion.
Yo maneno yote umesema, siku ukikuwa rais, ufanye hivyo vile unataka.
Damages in to vindicate the constitution, not in quashing the Senate's resolution. In light of the foregoing, that is not to say that His Excellency Gachagua has no constitutional remedies given the violation of his rights. As we said, we are convinced that this is a case where the infractions on the part of His Excellency's right can be adequately vindicated by way of appropriate declarations and damages. Applying Gitwabu Manyara's case, it is our position that the violation of His Excellency Gachagua's fair trial rights during the impeachment proceedings calls for a remedy that goes beyond mere acknowledgement. Declaratory relief serves to formally recognize the infringement, while damages will provide redress and underscore the seriousness of the violation. This amount is not intended to compensate for the loss of office, but rather to vindicate the Constitution, restore the dignity of the affected party, and deter similar infractions in future impeachment proceedings.
We know what you are looking for, Mr. Pepo Chafu. You are looking for bribes. You are looking for kickbacks. You want to blackmail our contractors. We will not allow you. You will not succeed. You will lead nowhere. You will lead nothing. You will lead nobody.
Mr. President, nakuomba ndugu yangu. You are my brother. I want to request you. Tafadhali, tafuta amani na hii jamii. Create peace with this community. Tafuta urafiki na hii jamii.
Tafuteni uongozi kwa njia ya kueleza vijana wenzenu vile mtawabadilishia maisha, vile mtawapatia kazi, vile mtatengeneza mitaa yao, vile mtashirikiana na wao waweze kuwa Wakenya ambao wanajivunia na wanafurahia nchi yao. That is all.
Kimeumana.
Gachagua. Yes. Pole. Judge, asante. Asante. Aenda cheze huko. Asante sana. Tena imetupuliwa. Mbali sana. Ruto ni mbali tena amekaa tu. Unangoja nini sasa? Sasa wewe ulikuwa hata una akili yako. Wewe sasa umekaa chini. Na hizo pesa zote atuwin. Kwani Ruto ni mjinga? Ameenda home. Endo report tena. Hata Uganda tutakuja home. Sasa hata Cheif uwezi simama. Hata mlango 10 uwezi. Wewe ni bure kama mke mbuzi bure. Sasa itabidi tu useme tuta ndio survive. Kama kuna kila wiki kesi lazima useme tutam, lazima useme hapa. Gachagua pole ati amekaa. Unawi nini sasa wewe? Nafikiria Ruto ni mjinga? Ruto ni mjanja, lazima ingefail, lazima. Lakini mimi nilikuwa nataka uwin, lakini pesa ndio nilikuwa naona ukipewa unatusumbua nayo. Juu watu wameonekana sasa wamechanganyikiwa. Juu wanataka tu mtu akusimama tu. Hata sasa niseme mimi natoa Ruto, wanasema kuja wacha tu support Mos.
Watu wanyamaze. If I'm not the flag bearer, I and my supporters will support another Kenyan. And I am committed. And I will do whatever it takes with my colleagues to make sure there is no division within the opposition.
Alifukuzwa bunge kwa sababu ya mauaji. You have no business lecturing us in the Republic of Kenya. You have no space. And I want to say this without fear of any contradiction. You will lead nobody. You will lead nowhere. and you will lead nothing.
Lakini kunitoa kwa roho za hii watu ni kibarua. Ni kibarua.
Wewe mambo ya pombe upunguze ama uache.
Emotional
Rais, vile umeona leo na utakuja kuona tukiendelea mbele.
continue to lead from the front as we transform this nation. And I will work with courageous leaders, people who believe in Kenya, people who believe in the transformation of Kenya, not mere politicians who believe in convenience, who believe in nothing, who believe in retrogressive politics. We don't share a vision with the tribalists. We don't share a vision with the haters. We don't share a vision with people who believe in the disunity of our nation. We share we share the vision with the people who believe in the unity of Kenya, who believe in a broad-based arrangement.
Of my other colleagues is agreed upon. I give a very firm commitment to the people of Kenya that I, Rigathi Gachagua, and 10 million supporters behind me, we shall rally behind the agreed candidate to a man, and I, Rigathi Gachagua, will lead the presidential campaign, and I will lead in the political mobilization that has never been seen in the history of independent Kenya to make William Ruto a one-term president and restore the Kenyan nation and save the Kenyan nation from corruption, conflicts of interest, state capture, erosion of democracy, extrajudicial killings, wanton sale of public assets, and the embarrassment that our country has faced for meddling in our foreign policy.